If you've ever stared at an email analytics dashboard muttering, "Why won't people just click?" Today's episode is for you. We're unpacking click-through rates from every angle: list hygiene, laser-sharp CTAs, Netflix-style segmentation, mobile UX, send-time science, and non-stop testing. Stick with us and you'll walk away with a battle-ready playbook to turn cold subscribers into red-hot clickers.
Let's kick off with a sobering stat. The global average click-through rate is only about 2.6%. That means out of every 100 human beings who open your email, 97 do absolutely nothing. Depressing? Sure. Immutable? Absolutely not.
Consider segmentation, the single biggest lever at your disposal. Picture two subscribers: Jess, a first-time visitor who just grabbed your free ebook, and Malik, a power user who's been paying for 18 months. Push them the same generic promo, and you'll bore one and undersell the other. But send Jess a getting started milestones checklist while you tempt Malik with a VIP beta invite, and watch both of them click like mad. Campaign Monitor measured a 101% lift in unique clicks for segmented campaigns, and some SaaS brands have reported triple-digit revenue lifts just by slicing their list into lifecycle buckets.
So, how do you segment without drowning in data? Start with 3 tiers: newcomers, regular readers, and loyalists. If you're e-commerce, maybe it's browsers, buyers, and big-ticket shoppers. Then layer in one behavioral flag, say product category or content topic. 2x3 gives you 6 micro-audiences, each still large enough to scale but specific enough to feel personal. Now personalize: dynamic product blocks, name merge greeting, maybe a geo-specific shipping estimate. Even a first name plus location in your subject line, Malik from Austin, your VIP demo is ready, can spike opens by 26% and primes clicks.
Segmentation sets the table, but content is the feast. Keep it snackable and story-driven. Humans process narratives 40 times faster than facts, so open with a scene your reader lives every day. Example: a project manager email that begins, "It's 4 p.m., the sprint ends tonight, and your Kanban board still looks like Jenga." Instantly relatable. Then twist the knife. Miss that deadline, and bugs hit production. Finally present the remedy. Here's the one-click snooze tasks feature that saves the day. Add a concise benefit bullet list, 3 max, and segue to your CTA.
Speaking of CTAs, let's polish them until they radiate neon urgency. Rule 1. One primary goal. HubSpot ran the numbers. Emails with a single CTA outclicked multi-CTA messages by 371%. Rule 2. Button, not hyperlink. Bright contrast color, plenty of white space, finger-friendly tap zone. Bonus psychology. Embed an instant gratification verb plus a tangible reward. Start my 14-day trial or see my discount. Beat vague, learn more every time. And if the email's long, repeat the exact same button twice, once above the fold, once after the main body, so scanners and deep readers both catch it.
Now, visuals. Vero discovered that an email with relevant imagery delivered a 42% higher CTR than plain text. But relevance is everything. A fashion retailer's hero shot? Absolutely. A random stock handshake? Skip it. It dilutes credibility and triggers spam filters. Animated GIFs can pull the eye straight to your button. Just keep the loop subtle and under 1 megabyte for mobile data users. And don't forget alt text royalties. A well-written alt text can itself persuade a click when images are blocked. Try alt, sneak peek of Friday's 40% flash sale.
All right, let's tackle list hygiene, the Marie Kondo of email. Studies show a list decays about 23% annually. That's nearly 1/4 of your audience slipping into digital oblivion. Unengaged addresses drag metrics, annoy ISPs, and graylist your domain. Quarterly, pull every subscriber who hasn't opened or clicked in 6 months. Send a still want in campaign with a 1-button keep me option. Those who click, win back complete. Those who ignore, prune them. Yes, your list shrinks, but your open and click rates jump and deliverability rebounds. A lean list is a mean list.
Let's pivot to mobile. Over 50% of opens now occur on phones. If your font force is squinting or your button is microscopic, you're hemorrhaging clicks. Use a single column layout, 14 pixel body text minimum, and a 44 pixel tall button. Test in dark mode. White logos on transparent PNGs vanish on charcoal backgrounds. And preload critical images with lightweight WebP or compressed JPEG. Nobody's waiting 15 seconds on 4G to see your banner.
Timing, the underrated art. GetResponse studied billions of sends and found dual sweet spots: 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. morning commuters and winding down workers. Fridays deliver the highest absolute CTR, but Tuesdays win on click-to-open ratio, meaning hyper-interested opens. Test your own list by splitting segments into AM and PM waves across a fortnight. Pattern emerges, shift your schedule, and respect time zones. Nothing screams automation fail like a good morning hitting New York at 10 p.m.
Now for continuous optimization. Treat every send as a laboratory. One variable per test: subject line tone, button copy, hero image, or send time. Example, swap. Get 20% off today, with your 20% voucher expires at midnight. Measure not just clicks but downstream revenue. If CTAB nets fewer clicks but higher average order value, that might be a superior variant. Document results in a rolling playbook so new marketers avoid retesting solved questions.
Let's zoom out with a case study trilogy. Case 1, mid-market SaaS. They segmented into trialists and paying customers, replaced 3 inline links with one Start My Pro trial button, and embedded a 7-second GIF demo of a killer feature. CTR leaped from 2.4 to 6.1%. MRR from that campaign doubled. Lesson: lifecycle segmentation plus focused CTA equals big lifts. Case 2, DTC skincare brand. They ran a 30-day re-engagement flow. Email 1, do we still glow together? Email 2, for non-clickers, a free sample plus expiry countdown. Result: 18% of dormant users reactivated. Lifetime value uptick 22%. Lesson: win-backs pay. Case 3, non-profit newsletter. They shifted from monthly digests packed with 8 links to weekly spotlights with 1 story, 1 CTA. Open rate dipped slightly, but CTR soared 180%, and donation revenue tripled. Proof that less truly can be more.
All right, rapid-fire booster tips. Add social share buttons after your primary CTA. HubSpot saw emails with share options score 30 to 55% higher total clicks. Use exclusivity language, invitation-only webinar, or subscriber-exclusive first look. People crave VIP status. Sprinkle urgency ethically. Real deadlines, limited seats. A dynamic countdown timer can lift clicks 10 to 15%, but fake scarcity kills trust. Polish the landing page. A flawless email funnel dies if the post-click page isn't mobile-friendly or loads like dial-up. Track bot clicks. Some security scanners fire every link. Filter them out so your metrics tell the truth. Let's recap the 8-step blueprint. Segment relentlessly. 2. Personalize copy and offers. 3. Craft snackable, story-led content. 4. Feature a single, bold CTA button. 5. Enhance with purposeful visuals. 6. Scrub your list quarterly. 7. Design mobile first and time sends smartly. 8. A B test like a scientist.
Layer these tactics and you'll shatter the 2.6% plateau, climbing towards 6, 8, even double-digit CTRs, plus happier subscribers and fatter revenue sheets.
If this playbook sparks ideas, dive into our show notes. You'll find a link to the full written analysis, including every stat we cited, plus a bonus checklist to audit your next campaign before you hit send.
Hit follow so you never miss our next deep dive. And if you're feeling generous, drop a rating. 5 stars helps more marketers discover the show. Until next time, may your lists stay clean, your buttons stay clickable, and your revenue graphs keep pointing up.